Alright guys, Johnny Sunshine here. It's Tuesday, about 10 o'clock. I need to get this water heater in my house replaced. I gotta tell you, man, this is where I keep my dog food, and some little, kibbles and bits have gotten into this pan over the years and gotten underneath the water heater, and when you add water to it, it literally smells like somebody threw up in this pan. It's fucking horrible. But anyways, so this is the water heater. I need to get it out of this little closet. The reason why I built this whole room, this actually used to be out in the garage. The step down, there was a 5 or 6 foot section built up the slab. So I decided to make it part of my kitchen. The actual kitchen wall used to stop here. This was the door. This is where the door was to go out into the garage. So I moved the wall, built this laundry room, brought it into the house, which it's really nice to have it in the house, but it's tight here because I only had 5 feet. I didn't want to get a bigger pan. That's why I went with the taller water heater. I'm going to reuse this pan. I'm going to check out the gasket, see why it leaked. I can't imagine that it rotted through. It's only been leaking for a month. Power's off. Water is off here. I'm going to turn the water off at the house coming in because I have overhead water piping. And I'm going to drain this heater and hopefully suck all that water out of the overhead water piping. And as usual, I'm going to put a new shark bite ball valve on here. And I'm just hoping that this thing's going to squeak in here with a Street 90 into the female adapter. We'll see what happens. But in the meantime, first thing I need to do is pump this guy down. Guys, so I have always wanted to do this. I'm a real fucking t-shirt and underwears guy. So that's what I'm in. T-shirt and underwear. I'm gonna replace this fucking heater in my drawers, man. Life is such a fucking adventure. Just gotta have fun, man. Stop being such a fucking stiff. Loosen up a little bit. Act crazy. It's fun, man. Wow. Time for a new hose, I think, on that thing. I need to get my eyeballs on, guys. And I think it's gonna rain today. Do 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 do. Yeah, Look at that nasty shit. Oh yeah, that's what we take showers in, guys. Not really, that's on the bottom of the tank. Alright, let me let this guy pump down. Hopefully I'm going to suck some water out of both of these overhead lines. Let me go grab my hand truck and some fittings and shit. This fucker's gonna be full of water for sure. These were the valves I used to use, these Sioux Chief. It's a good valve. I just went to the shock fights because these handles would rot off I'm gonna cut this right here so you know it's my second heater. Is overflowing. Human kindness is overflowing, and I think it's gonna rain today. Wah 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 wah. Wah, wah, wah. She done, man. Less than 10 minutes. That's good. I hate these A.O. Smith accesses, man. the ones that, at least this one comes off. The other ones were part of the lid, you know, the tank. Yeah. All right, guys, so let me adjust this. So this thing's in a pan. It's, you know, for one guy who's old, it could be a challenge. So what I'm gonna do is I'll show you how I lift them out with my hand truck. When you get old, you're gonna have to rethink a lot of shit, guys. Stuff I used to grab a fucking 50-gallon. I think I could put a 75-gallon gas heater up on a stand by myself when I was, you know, 30 years old. Just put the leg, you know, they have legs on them. Get one leg on that fucking stand and heave it up. Them fucking days are long gone, and that's why I'm in the condition I'm in now. Get help, guys. You may be strong, don't fuck yourself up, is what I'm trying to say. I should be able to get this guy out with my hand truck. There you go. Gonna have to do it this way so that I can get it out of there. Never actually did it like this, guys. I always do it like this. This room's so small, it may be a fucking problem. I just get them on these blankets. Take it right the fuck out of the house. Bag it up, Bella. Ugh. Guys, you remember Chef Tell? Chef Tell used to be on television. I wish you could smell this. Yeah. I don't wish that on anybody. And I am going to put gloves on because it is my house. The houses I go into, man, for the most part, are spotless. I fuck, man. I buy a box of gloves. They're supposed to be extra large from Harbor Freight. I gotta say, I do like the cordless vacuum from... This is like a big ass petri dish. Cucarachas, fucking palmetto bugs. Pretty nasty. Hey. Yeah. Something's a little small. I'm gonna have to run some Lysol through this fucking thing, man. Fill up a sink. Dead battery now. Ah, I love it. I love those cordless. This is just fucking rank. Stinky, man. I have to pull this out and get underneath it and dry that floor up. So let me get that pan out. Dry the floor up and wash it. Whew. There is no rest for the wicked, guys. No rest for the wicked, as they say. Look at that spooge running. Disgusting. Yeah. Ouch. My fucking house is so fucking dusty. I live on a fucking main road and I have two long-haired German Shepherds. The fucking traffic shaking my house all day, every fucking day. Oh, I got a little water damage I'm gonna hit it with this shit. Especially that. Chlorine in that, I can tell you. Let that shit soak in there. I got some of this stuff. Myers. This shit smells good. That Zep shit is like commercial grade, man. I'm gonna leave a nice coat of that shit on there. Yep, it's bad for you. It's burning the fuck out of my eyes. Killing me. Alright, let's go. Let's go wash this pan out. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so washing this out could be an issue. Seeing the water's off to the house. Tell you what, being out in your driveway in your fucking underwear on your knees, cleaning a water heater pan is not good for neighborly relations or your knees. Just saying. Let's go get a nice clean rag. Seeing I have no water, that's all I can do. Whew. Alright guys, that's gonna do it on that. Back in this fucking nasty house. These dogs, man, if you have dogs, they literally just destroy everything you have. A lot of the stuff is just fucked up because of that. Can't keep up. Want to hear it from you fucking YouTube critics. The gasket's supposed to go on the inside of the plane. Yeah, no fucking shit. Just doesn't seem right to me. That's all I'm saying. Well, that's why it leaked, you dumbass. Okay, you won. Yeah. Okay. Can't tighten it down too much because the fucker squeezes out, man. Alright, let's go get this other heater. Boy, that shit's got my nose running. Ugh. Yeah. Yeah. Hey guys. It's trash day. I just put that water heater out there at the end of my driveway, and I'll bet you that thing will be gone before I finish putting this one in. The other thing is, when I brought it out there, at least 4 of my neighbors drove by and saw me at the end of my driveway in my drawers. Ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move. Maybe I'll just leave it there until I get it down. This thing is very... I did this lowering it one day and a water heater fell right off the back of that fucking truck. I had to give the guy $150 off to take a dented heater. This thing's a monster compared to that other heater, man. But if I went with a medium, the wire would have been too short, I think, or maybe not. I don't fucking know. Let me get my stuff. Hey guys, so life, you know, is full of firsts. I gotta say that this is absolutely the first time I've installed a water heater in my underwear. And it's liberating, man. I mean, it just feels good, you know? So I think my next project is, you know, I gotta take it to the next level, man. My next project, I think, is gonna be a garbage disposal in the fucking buff. Naked. Fucking laying down there with my sack laying on the floor, you know? Just fucking getting her done. Yeah. I gotta be careful because a lot of people in my neighborhood, they just walk up and they think this is a fucking storefront, you know? And I'd hate to have somebody walk up while I'm acting like a fucking ass. Like they come to expect it. They know me for 20-something years now. They don't, you know, nothing's a fucking surprise anymore with me. I love the mustard, guys. Give it a try, man. It's the spreadability. And it goes good with bologna and cheese. I mean, really. That's what I had for dinner the other night, guys. Imagine that, man. When I was a kid, that's what we got, Jack. Mom, I'm hungry. There's bologna, there's cheese. So that's what we ate, man. And I used to tear that shit up. So I went the other night, I was in Publix, and I was gonna buy something to cook, you know? And I was like, you know what, man? I'm gonna have a bologna and cheese sandwiches with French's mustard, American cheese, some iceberg lettuce on whole wheat bread. And I ate 4 of them. And can you imagine this? Gussie and Bella love fucking German Bologna. How do you get bologna out of Bologna, guys? It's a question I've had my whole life. Bologna. Wait, something's not right here. This guy's really tight. That's some fucking reason. Already. It doesn't look cross-threaded. Yeah, man. Sometimes I do that. I go back to the shit I ate when I was a little kid, you know? Every once in a while, man, I'll go buy like 2-3 boxes of Captain Crunch and just eat that shit until my mouth is just all fucking torn apart. Guys ever been wounded by Captain Crunch, man? That shit will cut your mouth apart, man. Especially if you eat like a fucking wolf the way I eat. Man, I'll tell you, that one female adapter, something's not right with this one, but I'm gonna just go with it because it'll be an easy repair. How about a hot dog, man? Come in the house when you're a teenager, a little stoned, about 11 o'clock, make a couple hot dogs and you just cut up everything in the house and put it on there with a bunch of hot sauce. Fucking eyes are crossed. Your mother comes in, how are you doing? I'm doing good, Ma, how are you? Alright guys, because of the height issue going on here, I can't put those couplings back in to get this thing up above the pan, but it's all right. Oh, you fucking rotten son of a bitch. Look at that. That's just fucking wrong, man. Fucking. Alright, I see what I need to do. This guy needs to come off. Let me go get my tool, man. Utility room. Gotta get this thing done. Get it cleaned up. Put on a clean uniform and go to my appointment. I'm not gonna finish this tape, guys, until I get back out of that meeting with the doctor, so I can keep you guys informed. You know, I know how important this shit is to you guys and others. So I think what I'm gonna do is a street 90. No, I'm gonna go straight back with that. Just gonna run it long for now. And I gotta go get a piece of pipe, put that down into that pan. So it smells a little better in here with all that cleaning and spray. It really smelled like vomit, man. I mean, it was fucking gross.